Hi, I'm Tim. I work within HR marketing and I'm project lead for our open workspace campaign Command-O. The main aim of Command-O is two things. First, to get into contact with students and graduates on their own campus. That's why we have our own Magenta door, where students can basically talk to business experts from our tech topics the whole day. And ideally, the next day they can come and visit our own workshops, which is an IoT workshop on one side where they can basically create something of their own kind. And the other part is a Code+Design camp where we talk a lot about hacking and creating your own apps and stuff like that.
Hi, I'm Sven. Together with Tim, I'm the project lead of our campus campaign Command-O. Besides our Magenta door and the tech workshops, we have some additional exhibition elements, like the screen. Here you have the possibility to record your career wishes.
So I think that's a great chance to see what the broad spectrum of design coding is, or hacking maybe.
Overall, I think you can connect with each other, you can learn teamwork, you can connect with us and ask questions about how does it work in a company and things like that.